I've been there standing in the aisle, staring at a wall of cheap 10x binoculars that promise crystal clear view for the price of a coffee, only to end up with blurry edges, a flimsy focus knob, and a case that falls apart the first time you toss it in a backpack. That regret can turn a casual birdwatching weekend into a wasted trip, or make a hike feel like you're missing half the scenery. So before you click add to cart on any budget pair, you might wonder if a higher-priced name brand can actually save you that disappointment. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. Leica's 10x25 Ultravid Blackline kit tries to answer that exact question. It's not a buy the cheapest thing scenario. It's about whether spending a bit more gives you a binocular that actually performs when you need it. The kit comes with a sleek leather case that slides into the back of the binoculars, a soft rubber strap, and a quick-release neck strap, all the little extras that make pulling the optics out of a pocket feel intentional rather than accidental. For anyone who has ever fumbled with a plastic case that snaps shut at the wrong moment, that design choice alone feels like a thoughtful upgrade. First off, let's talk about who will get the most out of a 10x25 pair like this. If you're a commuter who likes to glance at city skylines, a birdwatcher who wants to keep a light load while moving through dense foliage, or a traveler who needs something that fits in a carry-on without sacrificing a decent field of view, the Leica Blackline hits the sweet spot. The 25mm objective lenses keep the overall profile compact, roughly the size of a large pocket, but still gather enough light to give a usable image in overcast daylight. I've tried them on a Saturday morning walk in a park where the light was soft but not dim. The images were sharp enough to identify a downy woodpecker without having to bring a larger pair. If you're the type who spends hours at a static spot like a Titapool photographer waiting for the perfect wave, or you need serious low-light performance for dusk wildlife spotting, you might find the 10x25 aperture a bit limiting. Leica's optics are renowned for color fidelity and edge sharpness, but physics still caps how much light a 25mm lens can pull in compared to, say, a 42mm model. In practice, that means you'll get a clear view on bright days, but the image will soften noticeably as the sun dips below the horizon. It's not a deal-breaker for most casual outings, but it's a hidden trade-off worth noting before you decide to splurge. The focusing system on these binoculars feels solid. The central wheel turns smoothly and locks into place without a wobble, which is something I've missed on cheaper alternatives that either drift or require you to keep holding pressure while you look through the lenses. I tested it on a moving train trying to keep the focus stable while the scenery rushed by, and the binocular held the focus after a quick adjustment, meaning you won't be constantly fiddling with the wheel when you're on the go. That kind of reliability is where the Leica price tag starts to make sense. One of the strengths that isn't always highlighted in marketing copy is the eye relief and exit pupil design. Because the eye relief on the Blackline is generous, you can comfortably use the binoculars with glasses, no need to pull them off or squint. In my own experience, I wear prescription lenses, and the binoculars allowed my eyes to sit at a comfortable distance without losing brightness. That practicality translates into less eye strain on long outings, something that cheap models often overlook. Now, the downsides. The most obvious is weight. Adding a leather case and metal housing pushes the pair a little heavier than a plain plastic 10x25 you might find for half the price. If you're planning a marathon hike where every gram counts, you'll notice the difference after a few hours. The weight isn't excessive, it's still manageable for most day trips, but it's a factor for ultralight backpackers. Another point is that Leica does not include a built-in diopter adjustment. You have to rely on the central focus wheel for any prescription differences. For people with a significant prescription imbalance between eyes, that could be a minor inconvenience. Pricing aside, the real value of the Ultravid Blackline comes from Leica's reputation for delivering consistent optical performance. The lenses are coated to reduce glare, which you can see when you tilt the binoculars towards a sunlit lake. The water-repellent coating also means you won't have to wipe droplets off with a cloth every time you catch a misty sunrise. In field tests, the image stayed clear even after a light rain, something I've struggled with on other brands where the lenses fog up or get streaked. Who should skip this kit? If you're a beginner who just wants a set-it-and-forget-it pair for occasional use in your backyard, you might be better off with a budget-friendly option that